Welcome to Agri-Farming, where we bring you the latest and most comprehensive guides on agricultural practices. Today we are focusing on a critical topic for all aspiring and current dairy farmers in India: dairy farming subsidies. Understanding these subsidies can significantly lower your costs and boost your farm's output. Stay tuned as we dive deep into what subsidies are available, who is eligible, how much you can get, and the exact steps to apply. Hit on the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on our upcoming farming guides. Let's start by understanding what exactly dairy farming subsidies in India involve. The Indian government, through various initiatives, provides financial support to enhance milk production and improve the quality of dairy products. These subsidies can help cover the cost of purchasing cattle, setting up dairy equipment, and even developing infrastructure. Today, we'll explore all these opportunities and more, detailing each type of subsidy available to you as a dairy farmer. The primary agencies distributing these subsidies include the National Dairy Development Board and the Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. These organizations play pivotal roles in facilitating the growth of dairy farming in India through financial and technical support. Understanding how these bodies operate is the first step in accessing their offered subsidies. There are numerous subsidies available, each designed to address different needs of the dairy farming sector. For instance, the Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme provides up to 25% subsidy, 33.33% for SC or ST farmers, on the project cost for setting up dairy farms, purchasing dairy equipment, and establishing dairy product transportation facilities. Another popular subsidy is providing for fodder development, offering up to 50% of the cost. We'll cover more specific programs on their benefits later in this video. Eligibility for these subsidies varies based on the specific program. Generally, farmers, individual entrepreneurs, NGOs, and companies involved in dairy are eligible. Certain programs require the applicant to contribute a portion of the project cost, typically around 10% for a general category and 5% for special categories like SE or ST. We'll discuss detailed eligibility requirements for different subsidies to help you understand which ones you can apply for. Understanding the percentage of subsidy amounts is crucial. Depending on the subsidy, you can expect to receive anywhere from 25% to 50% of your total project cost covered by the government. For more innovative and impactful projects, especially those benefiting underserved communities, the subsidy rate can be even higher. We'll break down the subsidy percentages across various schemes and what that means in real terms for you and your expenses and investments. The application process for dairy farming subsidies can be intricate. Typically, it involves submitting a detailed project report to the nearest zonal office of the NDDB or through the state's Department of Animal Husbandry. You will need to provide proof of land ownership or lease, detailed cost estimations, and your contribution to the project. We will guide you through a step-by-step process, including tips of drafting your project report and streamlining your application. To apply for these subsidies, certain documents are essential. These include ID proof, address proof, project related documents, and financial records. Depending on the subsidy scheme, additional documents such as environmental clearances and land use proofs might also be needed. Applying for subsidies requires attention to detail and adherence to guidelines. We'll share some insider tips to enhance your application's chance of success, such as how to align your project with government priorities and the importance of timely submission. Also, we'll discuss common pitfalls to avoid that could delay or reject your subsidy application. To inspire you, we'll share real life success stories of dairy farmers who have successfully obtained and utilized these subsidies to grow their businesses. These stories highlight the transformative impact of government support and provide practical insights into making the most of the subsidies. Thanks for watching our detailed guide on dairy farming subsidies in India. With the right information and approach, these subsidies can significantly enhance your dairy business's profitability and sustainability. Don't forget to like, comment with any questions, and share this video with fellow farmers. Subscribe to AgriFarming for more valuable farming insights and tips. Before you go, check out our playlist on agricultural best practices and farm management for more expert advice and strategies. Follow us on this channel to get real-time updates and connect with a community of progressive farmers. Happy farming and see you in the next video.